Hey guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Brian.
And welcome to our channel, The
Screaming Pugs.
So today we are making beer-battered onion rings.
I thought it's actually an easy process, but yeah, it seems like quite a lot of ingredients.
It's not too much, it's just every single time I've tried to make this, I kind of just like ended up with this ball of dough with onion in it. So, you know, it's not my favorite thing to try and make, but we're going to try it anyway.
Yeah, I'm a big fan of onion rings, so hopefully it works out. Unlike our fudge video, we had to delete.
Yeah, you guys aren't seeing that. Like, after like the second try, we're like, okay, we're not fudge makers. Apparently it runs in the family, so I'm not too worried.
We're pretty good toffee makers.
Yeah, toffee and whatever that was. But I ate everything, so that's all that matters. So yeah, this is what ingredients you guys are gonna need. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need is onions, obviously. The bigger the onion, the bigger the ring, so we're gonna have some cute tiny ones. Then, because this is a beer batter, you're gonna need a beer. We're just taking a Heineken, which is a local beer we have, anyone will do. You're obviously gonna need some oil as well for the deep frying. And then you're gonna need some flour. This is just like normal all-purpose cake flour. And then you're gonna need some spices. You're gonna need teaspoons, not tablespoons, otherwise that's good. You're gonna die. That's sodium. Anyway, you're gonna need some salt, pepper, paprika, and crushed garlic.
Okay, so now we're gonna add a cup and a half of flour. 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper.
Half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon, sorry.
But if you like pepper, like, go crazy, who will be to judge?
Okay, finally the most important part. This is about 1.5 cups of beer. Let me just taste it. Taste it, is still fine.
Nice. Into the mouth.
Still tastes fine.
I want a beer too.
I'll give you a little sip.
There's another one in the fridge. This is foaming a lot.
It looks like a like science experiment at volcano.
Yeah, I'm gonna get like a wooden spoon and start mixing this, because you can't waste beer. You don't be that person that wastes beer. Okay, so we added a little bit more beer into this so that it's pretty much 1.5 cups. If you're not like a beer drinker, you can always replace it with like other, soft drinks. So it can eat literally anything your heart desires. I can't guarantee how it's gonna taste if you like throw cream soda into this, but stuff like ginger ale.
Can someone make a Fanta one, please?
A Fanta grape.
Yes.
Fanta grape. Okay, so we're just gonna set this aside to let it rest for 10 minutes while we do the rest of the things. In a separate bowl, throw about half a cup of flour in. You can throw more in there, it's really up to you and how much you're making. But yeah, on to the main event. Brian's gonna cry and chop onions for us.
Because you love you.
Freddy got an egg again while Brian's crying over onions. He's really good at this. He gives it like one pick and like that's it. I know people might frown upon like giving a crow egg to eat, but this is essentially what they do. Like, there's not one bird in this yard at the moment.
Okay, so I'm done cutting our onions. I've cried a lot. Last time I cried so much was when Pikachu left Ash.
Oh my.
So yeah.
He's gonna put that clip in and it's horrible to watch.
It's a horrible episode. I still remember it, but okay. Time
Yeah, he also, I just want to point out, like, it doesn't need to be like this thick. Like, I'm pretty sure you can wear this as a bracelet. Like, it can be thinner. It's just this is Brian cutting stuff.
Okay, so now I'm gonna add my onions to the flour.
Just as much as the bowl can handle without like making it like difficult for you. And just kind of mix it in there with the flour to coat it completely. Okay, Brian's like putting everything in. This is why we're gonna make a clump. I'm just gonna take a spoon because I don't want to put my fingers in this. And just like make sure the flour coats everything. But we'll do that as we go. So on to the next almost final step. Okay, so you're gonna add some oil to a pot. You can add as much as you think you need. I have no idea. I'm gonna have like French fry mindset here. And as soon as this is heated up, we're gonna show you how to do this. And hopefully we don't burn everything. Okay, so Brian is going to take one onion ring at a time and dunk it into the batter. You just have to make sure that there isn't like too much excess batter on it, so drop everything off. And then you're just going to add the oil and wait for the magic to happen. I really hope this is not a disaster. We'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so you want to turn these around as you go. Make sure that they don't actually like burn on one side and don't cook on the other side. Ta-da! We are done. I think we used like 3 onions.
Yeah, 3 onions, small onions actually.
There's more over here, but this is just like the pretty one for the shot. Yeah, and I think we had like enough batter left to like make like 4 or 5 more onions, honestly.
Easily.
So yeah, prepare to eat like a lot of onion rings, guys. Okay.
That time of the video, taste this time.
Side note, they do suggest that you sprinkle like salt over this just for a little bit more flavor. And you can also like dip this in whatever sauce you like, but we like onion rings just like this, so it looks good.
Did it taste the beer?
These are good. It was actually pretty easy. This is the first time in my life onion rings came out right. So I'm very happy about this. It's all thanks to Brian, of course. I'm just chilling. I'm enjoying this now.
Now we're gonna make some fish to go with this for tonight's meal. So we sorted.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that one. We certainly did.
Yeah, I definitely did.
Yeah, we're gonna make this again, I'm pretty sure. It's easy, like I think you can like alter the spices to whatever you want in it really. Yeah, just add beer. Just add beer.
Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe.
Yes, please.
Please and
I'm
thank
having
you.
my hands in my pockets. I'm like, oh shit, this is my cue. But yeah, thank you guys for always supporting the channel. We see you guys. We see each and every comment, like Brian replies to them, and then passes them along to me because I do not reply to all of them. But if there's a message, like, I'll get it. I get it. My car's dirty, and spicy food is not my thing. I know this. I'm very aware of this. I had heartburn for like 3 days after that masala Gatsby, so
you enjoyed it at least?
It was good, it was good. I'm not gonna lie about that, but it burned.
I definitely enjoyed it. So yeah, thank you guys.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.